Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another video, and in today's video, I'll be making a Haitian style meatless spaghetti with mushrooms. Stay tuned. Here is the list of ingredients I'll be using. For the pasta, I have 16 ounces of angel hair pasta, water, salt, as well as 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'll also be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of épices blanc, or you can use minced garlic. To see how I make my épices blanc, you can find the link in the description box below. I also have 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove, 1 small onion, which I sliced, and I'm going to separate it into 2 equal parts. I also have multiple colored bell peppers, which is about 1/2 cup. I have 2 small vegetable bouillon cubes, salt and black pepper, 16 ounces of baby bella mushrooms, which I've sliced, 1 habanero pepper, parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and about 1/2 cup of water. In a pot that has been heated, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated through, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of épices blanc. Remember, you can find the link to this video in the description box below, or you can go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I allow the épices blanc to cook for about 2 minutes. I'll continue stirring it so it does not burn. After, I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove, as well as 1/2 of a small onion. I add in 1/2 cup of the multicolored bell peppers, 2 small vegetable bouillon cubes, which I did crumble, and I'm also going to add salt and black pepper to taste before adding the sliced baby bella mushrooms. After adding the baby bella mushroom, I'm going to add some more salt as well as black pepper. I'll also add in 1 habanero pepper. I'll give it a quick stir. I have the temperature on a medium heat. I'm going to cover with the lid and allow the mushrooms to cook down for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, I removed the lid. As you can see, the mushroom has started to cook down and it started to release some water. I'm going to give this a taste. I'm going to add in some parsley flakes, as well as 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I will allow this tomato paste to cook thoroughly before adding 1/2 cup of water. After adding all these ingredients and the flavor is on point, I'm going to cover with the lid and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes that the mushroom has been simmering, I'm going to remove the lid. I do want some of that raw heat from the habanero pepper, so I'm going to burst it and give it a quick stir into this broth. Then I'll remove it. If you do not want that raw heat, go ahead and remove the pepper without bursting it. To make this dish, I'll be using some angel hair pasta. It does not take a long time to cook, about 5 to 6 minutes. What I did was boil some water, added some salt and olive oil, then I added the angel hair pasta and I cooked it using the instructions on the back of the package. After, I drained the pasta and placed it into the pot that has the mushrooms. To make it easier to mix the pasta with the mushroom, I'm going to do it half and half. I added half of the angel hair pasta. I'm going to mix until everything is well combined. Then I'll add the other half. Once I'm almost done mixing the pasta, I'm going to add the rest of the half of the small sliced onion. I do this at the end just so I can have some of that semi-cooked onion. If you do not like onions that are not fully cooked, go ahead and add the entire onions to the beginning. Before I get to the end of this video and show you the finished product of this Haitian style meatless spaghetti with mushroom, I want to take this time out to say thank you for stopping by Ataste of K. If you've made it this far into the video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget, you can always share these videos with your friends and family to help the channel grow. Once again, thank you for stopping by Ataste of K. I'll see you in the next video.